One of the automation tools I mentioned in my previous video is n8n. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and run n8n on your own machine. If you're new to n8n, it's a powerful, low-code automation platform that allows you to connect apps, automate repetitive tasks, and build workflows between tools that weren't originally designed to work together. To get started, we'll first need to install Node.js. Head over to nodejs.org/download and click this button to download the latest version. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Node.js on your computer. After the installation finishes, open your terminal or command prompt and enter this command: npm install-g n8n. This command will download and install n8n globally on your machine. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few minutes. With the installation complete, simply execute n8n in your terminal to launch the application. After a few moments, you should see output similar to the one displayed in my terminal. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser. The first time you open n8n, you'll be presented with a screen asking you to create an account. Go ahead and sign up to create your owner account. Once that's done, you'll have full access to the n8n editor, where you can start building automation workflows and connecting your favorite apps. If you found this video useful, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. I post videos like this every week.